Guys, I'm discussing about that. How to adding for right side corner social button icons. If any website will be open, the showing for social media icons will be there in right side corner. So how we can adding for your particular website? Suppose if we go to this website option here, in this, any people open this in the particular option, in the right side corner, I can show the social media icons, same like this option. So how we can activate this option will be here. In this purpose, we have generate one code will be there. The code option will be there into my blog also will be there. You can find out this code in my blog option. Now this code will be generated for your particular option. Just how many icon will adding here? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So in this one, first of all, what are the icons are there? Just select the Facebook. Only username we can copy it. Copy username and paste here. Where is the username option? Next, Twitter. Only username we can copy here. In this. Next, Instagram. Same will be name. Will be use your Instagram option. Next, you can using for LinkedIn. So you can using here. This option will be there. Don't go any mistakes here. Compulsory mandatory field. Now click for YouTube. Copy. Paste here. So everything ready. YouTube is done. LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Just copy this option. This code we can copy. Just where a website, the particular enter. Right side we have to display in this option. Give me the seconds. I'm logging for cPanel. After login cPanel, go to File Manager. Where our publish code will be there, we can go to that option will be here. Application. So we can check for where our option will be there. In this here option will be in there. Just check it out. Save changes. Now you can refresh. Here. Based on the template, option will be showing to here. When clicking this option, they go for LinkedIn option will be there. Based on CSS will be there. The CSS will be adding for based on the theme will be applicable by the your particular website. This theme will be CSS will be like this. The theme will be I'm using for this theme for particular social media icons. That is using for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. For particular page will be here. For our page. So here is a LinkedIn is there. So simply you can change here. LinkedIn page and save it. So people easily we can understanding to what are the page you have to follow, this option will be there. So these are the following can options and the particular things. So in this what we are changing here. Refresh. Here LinkedIn will be there. And we can using for just what are the option we can change in here. Change this option will be there. Instagram. You can use Instagram. This will be YouTube option. So just to follow the parameters where you can change the icon will be there. Change your icon. refresh. So total YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook option. If you have any app also there, we can use app option also will be using the particular format. So this will be used instruction to the increase the social media followers and the app install also. If you need app also, you can add by app link also will be applicable in this option. Just if app link purpose, simple here, that code will be compulsory mandatory field. Which code is there? Where you can display by the icon option in the Facebook page, for Instagram, LinkedIn option, you have to change and update by the in this particular option. Simple. I'm just copying for the particular code option. Just look here. I'm just to copy by which is the parameters are there. I'm adding Facebook option once again. Facebook repeating for 2 times. You can see this one here. In the Facebook time, I'm adding for Facebook place, Google. They're showing for G. G nothing but Google your particular app link. App link or map is not showing for app link. They're showing for map option will be here. I can add by the Play Store link. Select here apps. This compulsory mandatory field, we can add your particular website to increase your social media followers. Copy link, paste it. Install our app, refresh. So you can showing for here. Install our app for the particular in this here. The showing for likes option will be there. The likes option we can showing for install. Select here. See this one. This is a particular code we can use at the social media icons. The particular website, right side corner or any option will be there. Where our corner will be there, we can add your social media icons. That will be purpose of increase the social media links purpose. That is main thing is called followers and page likes, subscriber and app install purpose.